Every president needs an ally in justice, someone who interprets the law, prosecutes wrongdoing, and defends the nation's legal foundation. That ally is the Attorney General, the head of the U.S. Department of Justice. They are the president's top legal advisor, but also the people's chief prosecutor. Their responsibility isn't just to serve the administration, but to uphold the Constitution, even when it's inconvenient to those in power. In this episode, we explore the office of the Attorney General, the nation's highest law enforcement official and the guardian of American justice. This position embodies one of democracy's greatest tensions, loyalty to the president versus loyalty to the law. An effective Attorney General must walk a careful line, serving both the executive branch and the American people. The position of Attorney General was established in 1789 alongside the creation of the Department of Justice's earliest roots. President George Washington appointed Edmund Randolph as the first Attorney General. At that time, the job had no staff, no budget, and a few resources, yet it carried enormous responsibility to advise the president and represent the United States in legal matters. By 1870, the Department of Justice, the DOJ, was formally created, uniting federal prosecutors, marshals, and legal officers under one department. This transformation gave the Attorney General control over federal law enforcement, making it one of the most powerful offices in government. As America expanded, so did the challenges of justice. During Reconstruction, the DOJ pursued civil rights enforcement and fought post-war corruption. In the 20th century, attorney generals oversaw cases involving organized crime, antitrust enforcement, and civil rights. Figures like Robert F. Kennedy brought moral urgency to the office, using it to fight racial injustice. Others, like John Mitchell, tested its limits during political scandal, reminding the nation how easily power can be abused. Over time, the Attorney General became both a legal strategist and a national conscience, shaping how America defines justice, equality, and accountability. Today, the Attorney General oversees the Department of Justice, which includes the Federal Bureau of Investigation, the FBI, the Drug Enforcement Administration, DEA, the Bureau of Alcohol, Tobacco, Firearms, and Explosives, ATF, the U.S. Marshal Services, and all U.S. attorneys who prosecute federal crimes across the country. Their responsibilities include advising the president and executive agencies on legal matters, representing the United States in court, enforcing federal law and prosecuting major crimes, protecting civil rights and overseeing national security investigations, and upholding the independence and integrity of the Justice Department. It is a role that requires balance, to apply justice without prejudice and to remain faithful to the Constitution, even amid political pressure. The Attorney General's office sits at the intersection of politics and the rule of law. Every holder of this position faces the same test, whether to serve the president's interests or the nation's ideals when the two collide. The most respected attorney generals have chosen the law, proving that independence, not obedience, defines true justice. The Attorney General decisions ripple through every courtroom and community in America. From civil rights to cybercrime, their leadership determines how justice is applied and whether it remains blind, fair, and equal. When this office functions well, the nation's faith in the rule of law grows stronger. When it falters, that faith erodes, and democracy itself weakens. This role is more than a legal title. It's a promise that no one, not even the powerful, is above the law. The Attorney General has stood as both defender and challenger of power, ensuring that justice remains not a tool of politics, but the foundation of freedom. The Department of Justice reminds us that government cannot command respect, it must earn it, one fair decision at a time. This is Vex Knows, and this is the Power Behind the President series. Join me next time as we explore the Secretary of the Interior, the steward of America's land, resources, and natural legacy.